I prepared this simple scene with just a Christmas tree, and as you can see, all of the balls are using this red material. Now let's say we want to replace it everywhere and instead use this gold shader. This is surprisingly easy to do in Blender. For this, simply go to the outliner, switch it to Blender file, then go to materials, right click on the red material, choose remap user, and from the drop down select the gold material. Now click on remap, and wherever the red material was used is now replaced with the gold shader.